This is the second time I'm attempting to record on Ustream a demo of FLV editing using FLV Rich AIR editor, which works with Adobe 360 Flex and AIR installed. It's all free, supposedly. I'm streaming from Manycam from my desktop. I'm going to the RichFLV editor. I find that Ustream works okay, but sometimes you have to try things several times, and it's a mystery perhaps why it doesn't work each time. I'm going to open a random FLV that I've chosen, which is, now here is my last attempt. And I'm going to go to damned FLV test stuff. You could see how frustrated I could get sometimes when these things don't work over and over and over. There's no documentation to show how to do what I'm about to do in the RichFLV editor. I'm taking something that I recorded in Ustream and downloaded called Misty, me singing Misty. I'm going to let's see, just stop the thing. This is where you have to go. Keyframes. It's all very mystical and magical. Let's say I want to start at the beginning. I click on the first timestamp. I do the set endpoint, which doesn't change. I happen to know that 52,000 would be about midway. So if I want to cut this recording in half, I set the out point. See, it's 104,782. I'm clicking set point now on 52,000. That's halfway. I'm going to go up here. I'm going to export it to FLV format again. It should do 1/2 of what I should cut it in half. I'm going to go back to damn FLV test stuff, and I'm going to call this I'm sick and tired of trying this. It's going to save it, I hope, in the place that I think it's going to save it. It should have saved just the first half. The whole darn thing was how many minutes? Like a minute and 1 minute. Total time 1 minute and 45 seconds. Now have to click all over the place to get to where I want to go. So I'm going to go to my computer. It outputs it as just a file with no type. I don't know why it does that, perhaps so you don't inadvertently. Now here's the damned FLV test stuff. And I'm sick and tired of trying. This is right here. Right click, rename. Go to the end and type .flv. That makes it into an FLV file, which on this machine would be played with Real Player. Now, you know, it doesn't seem to have done a darn thing, because it's still 1 minute and 45 seconds. Now, I don't understand why each time I do this damn thing, it takes 2 attempts to do it. I really don't understand that. I'm going to go back to the FLV. I'm going back to the Rich Editor, File, Open. It does work. It does work if you do it enough times. There's no logic to explain why it is such a pain in the ass. I'm going to go to keyframes. I'm going to do randomly. I'm going to take that and make this endpoint, set endpoint. I'm going to do just a wee bit and set the out point. I'm going to export as FLV. Again, it eternally desires to go to the desktop. I'm going to go to this damned FLV test stuff. I'm going to call it hell and damn, because, you know, I really get frustrated. Now it's exported it. It did it very quickly. I should be able to go back into the thing, look at it, rename it. Bitch. This really gets all tiresome, but it does work. There's Helen Dam. Right click and rename it to FLV. .FLV. I've done all this a couple of times, and for some reason it wouldn't download from the darned, let's see. So now I did get 5 seconds of it. There. So it did cut it down. Now, now I will just, that's the end. Thanks for watching. Sorry for my frustration. But, oh, that's the facts. Now I'm going to stop broadcasting. Thanks, and see you later.